Hello, Nixie here, and it's day 12, 13, and 14 of Inktober. I decided to just make one video after 3 or 4 days, and I find that it's so much more convenient than making myself hustle into finishing an artwork and then editing a video for YouTube a day. So I think I'm gonna keep this up till the end of October. Anyway, the prompt for day 12 is dragon. And I really love dragons, but I never find myself drawing them a lot. Maybe it's because I'm really intimidated by the details. Because if I draw a dragon, I really want it to look epic, super detailed, and horny. Yeah, pun intended. And I laugh at my own jokes. You have to know that I will be laughing at my own jokes. Anyway, so yeah, this time I just wanted to draw a skull of a dragon with vines growing all over it, and that's exactly what I did. I looked for references, but I didn't really copied any of it. I just, well, used it as a reference. I didn't copy. It helped me a lot, and it kind of made me understand how dragon's skull should look like. So this is what I came up with, and I'm actually proud of it. I like it. I think this is the most detailed dragon skull I've ever drawn. But nothing really fancy about this artwork. It didn't take me a long time, which I love. I used my Pentel Pocket brush pen for this, and it just worked perfectly because I could have laid down thin strokes and thicker strokes with it without going over and over the lines. So yeah, here it is. Hope you like it. Prompt is Ash, and immediately I wanted to draw Ash Ketchum from Pokemon. I've been wondering how he'd look like if he actually grows up. I don't know why they're doing that with Ash, but he never grows up in Pokemon, guys. So I'm very curious about how he looks like if he grows up a little bit, maybe on his 20s to 30s. And I'm just thinking maybe this is how it looked like. This is pretty simple, took me no time at all, and the way I drew Pikachu here is kind of like in Detective Pikachu, where they look like moving stuffed toys, which I really loved. I guess you can say I drew Ash in my style. I don't even know what my style is. I feel like my style changes every time. So whatever, you know? I just drew Ash the way I can and know how to. I also kind of evolved his clothing, his signature clothes, which is, I think, blue jacket, but it has a white short sleeve, which I don't think will look good on a grown-up man, so I made it long. And I really need to apologize again. I'm pretty sure you guys can hear the background noises, and I horror. So if you decide to stick around to my channel, you'll probably see me drawing some monsters in the future too, aside from pretty boys and girls. And as I was drawing this, I remember this one monster from a movie called The Ritual. I don't know if you guys have watched it or if you guys are a fan of horror. If you are, then I really recommend that movie. I think it's in Netflix. And there's a monster there. And I love the design of that monster. You don't really see it a lot on the movie. I think you only see it at the end. But it looks so freaking epic. I love the design of that monster. The story is really good too, so go watch it. Go watch it, guys. Go watch it. I think it was done in Sweden. The location of the movie is in Sweden. Pretty sure about that. It involves some kind of a Nordic mythology. Modern horror thing, but with a Nordic mythology twist. Occult thing. So yeah, just go watch it. I'm not really good at selling the movie, but if you're interested enough, please go watch it. I really love that movie. And on the wings, I decided to not make it look like a pretty wings because there's nothing supposed to look pretty with this demon, and I really wanted a very sketchy look for this artwork. And since the theme of my Inktober 2019 is purple, black, and white, I feel like the demon is less scary because I colored its body purple. But if I was not limited with the colors that I will be using, I think what I'd color it is like a fleshy, bloody, gross color. I think. But leave the 3 faces really white and clean, but still crying a black ooze. Well, I guess they're not clean anymore if they're crying a black ooze, because that's gonna stain their faces really bad. You'll see that black ooze I'm talking about a little later. It's gonna come. I'm wondering what type of bird that is, and I'm wondering if you guys can hear that bird. Anyway, thanks for watching. I hope you liked it, and see you again next time for day 15 to 18 or 19 maybe. I'm not sure, just wait for my next upload. Thanks again, and bye.